Hey guys, welcome back to Dude We Can Fix It. Today we're going to be talking about a critical engine component, the serpentine belt. The serpentine belt is responsible for powering all of the accessories in your engine, such as your alternator, your power steering pump, and your AC compressor. So if your belt breaks, you're in for some serious trouble. In this video, we'll show you how to change your serpentine belt and avoid a costly breakdown. The first thing you need to do is locate the serpentine belt and identify the tensioner. The belt is a long, thin rubber belt that runs through various pulleys in the engine. The tensioner is a small pulley that applies tension to the belt to keep it tight. Step 2. Once you've located the tensioner, it's time to release the tension on the belt. You'll need a wrench or a socket to turn the tensioner, which will loosen the belt. Make sure to note the belt's routing before you release the tension so you can put on the new belt correctly. Step 3. Remove the old belt. Now that the tension is released, it's time to remove the old belt. Carefully slide it off each pulley and make sure to note the belt's routing as you remove it. So we have the new belt and the old belt. Let's compare them to make sure that they're about the same length. If anything, the new belt should be slightly shorter than the old belt because the old belt may have stretched. Step 4. Once the old belt is removed, it's time to install the new belt. Make sure to follow the belt's correct routing and slide it onto each pulley. It's much easier to install the belt if you have someone to help you hold it in place. Step 5. Tighten the tensioner. So what I like to do is when I have the belt routed, I like to leave the idler pulley as the last pulley to go on. The idler pulley doesn't have a lip, so it's easy to slip that belt on. So I already have the belt on the tensioner and all the other pulleys. So when you pull your tension on your tensioner, this belt will loosen up and you can just slip it on. You may release the tensioner and it will apply tension to the belt. Make sure to check the belt's tension to ensure it's not too loose or too tight. And that's all there is to it. Changing your serpentine belt is relatively easy and can save you from a costly repair. Hope you enjoyed this video. Consider subscribing and we'll catch you on the next one.